So now that I'm pretty close to the right size, I'm going to take all of the extra kind of wet clay out of the inside of the lid, but at the same time, I'll clean that off. At the same time, I'm actually going to leave a texture on the inside surface here by getting the wheel going fairly slowly and bouncing that rib. And then easing off right there at the end. And I like to leave that kind of distinct mark. It kind of is a little bit of evidence of what was happening when the piece was made. And now I kind of do a finishing point on the inside here as well. Kind of ties it all together. Okay, this is dried up enough to be able to trim. So I'll stick it to the wheel head, get a sense for how thick it is, and see where I need to trim the most off. See how thin it is in the middle, so I know that I can still take a fair bit off there without trimming through.